Hi everyone, my name is Alex from London Typewriters, and today I'm going to show you how to change 1004 FN or Group 4 typewriter ribbon. So let's go over the things that we'll need for this task. Obviously we will need a new ribbon and spools like these. We actually sell these in our store. Then you will need a compatible typewriter like this Olivetti Lettera 32. And the final thing you'll need is a pair of tweezers like these. The tweezers are going to be really handy when we will be handling the new ink ribbon, and if you just use your bare fingers and hands, it can get a bit messy. So I'm going to remove the stop panel. Before you remove the old ribbon, what I would do is recommend to take a picture of this whole assembly so you can have a reference point in the future in case you get stuck with installation of the new ribbon. Another important thing are these metal thumb nuts. These metal thumb nuts are really important because what they do, they actually push down on these spools, and by pushing them down, they force the ribbon to rotate either in this direction or this direction. But if you don't have these metal spools, then don't worry, we actually sell them in our store. So I'm going to unscrew these thumb nuts. Then I'll use my tweezers to take out the ribbon from the ribbon carrier. And then we can simply slide out these old spools and the ribbon. Then I will take new spools and ribbon. So an important thing to note here is the orientation, the way that the spools and the ribbon goes. So we want it to be facing the typewriter this way and not this way. So this will be the wrong orientation. We want it to go this way. So I'm going to pop in the spools on each side. And I'll use my tweezers to feed it through all these little arms on each side. As you can see, it can be a bit fiddly sometimes, so that's why having some tweezers can be really handy. And same on this side as well. And I'll use my tweezers to feed the ribbon through the ribbon carrier. Now the ribbon carrier is this metallic piece here. It goes up and down whenever you type. Okay, now we can screw on these thumb nuts. So these don't have to be really tight, they can just be hand tight, and no tools are required to over tighten them. Just your fingers are okay. Now time for the panel. We're finished. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as always, happy typing!